Our top story, West Nile virus now in the Capital Region. Tonight, Albany County has reported its first case of the season, and it comes during a record-breaking year. More people than ever getting sick all across the country. Tonight, Craig Smith takes a closer look at just who is most at risk.
The Albany County Health Department says the person who was bitten is doing fine, but the case serves as a reminder that mosquito bites can be more than annoying. Matt Whalen says it's been bad in Niskayuna.
Every time we spend any time out in the backyard, we get bit up.
You spend a lot of time thinking about West Nile virus?
No, actually, I don't. I just bring a lot of bug spray.
What do you think about West Nile virus?
I don't worry about it, really.
Those people seem to know West Nile virus can be a serious problem, but probably won't be.
Yeah, it's a very interesting pattern, and it really is mainly the elderly.
Dr. David Lieber is an infectious disease expert. He says 80% of people who get the virus show no symptoms, and most of the rest only mild symptoms: fever, aches, possibly a rash, and swollen lymph glands.
Avoiding mosquito bites is a good idea for a number of reasons, but the risk is very, very low to have serious illness with West Nile. Rarely fatal. The serious neurologic manifestations that we hear often about occur in less than 1% of people who are infected.
The Centers for Disease Control has said 40% more people have been infected this year, possibly because of unusually warm weather. Craig Smith, CBS 6 News.
Now, last year, Albany County reported its first case of West Nile in late September, and that is consistent with what our fact finders uncovered. The CDC calls West Nile a seasonal epidemic. It typically flares up in the late summer and early fall. Health experts say the easiest way to avoid the virus is to prevent bites. Use bug spray, they say, and also wear long sleeves, especially at both dusk and dawn.